What's up, everybody? So you get in your car, you go to start it, and it's running a little funny. You look at the dash and oh no, your check engine light is on. What do? Instinctively, you're gonna go out and find out what those codes are. Now, there's 3 different onboard diagnostic systems on Hondas and other cars. There's different types of systems. When you're driving a 88 to 91, you're gonna have OBD0 or Onboard Diagnostics 0. If you drive 92 to 95, you're gonna have OBD1, and if you drive 96 and newer, you're gonna have OBD2. If you have OBD2, there's a little port under your steering wheel, around your feet, and you're gonna plug your scanner tool. You're gonna go to AutoZone, O'Reilly's. You're gonna plug in to the OBD2 port, and all your codes are gonna pop up there, and your life is easy. If you drive something older like I do, 1990 Integra, so I have OBD0 or Onboard Diagnostics 0, it's a little bit different situation. If you drive 88 to 91, you're gonna have to go to your passenger side carpet area. You're gonna have to pull back your carpet, and there where your passenger's feet would go is going to be your ECU. So to check your codes, what you're going to do is you're going to come to your dashboard. You're going to turn your key into the on position, and when you turn it onto the on position, then you can go and look at your ECU, and there's going to be a little red indicator light. And your red indicator light, what it's going to do is it's going to flash X amount of times. Now you're going to look for 2 different types of flashes. There's your long flash and your short flash. So for example, if you have a code 23, short flashes are going to be multiples of 1. Your long flash is going to be multiples of 10. So 2 long, 20, 3 short, code 23. If you have a 92 to 95 system, the process is similar, except instead of a red indicator light on your ECU, it's going to be your check engine light that flashes those many times. But there's an extra step. Under your dashboard, under your glove box, there's a little port that's covered with plastic. So what you're going to want to do is jump the 2 ports, the 2 spots on the little box. It's a little box, and once you jump those with, say, a paper clip or a wire, you're going to come back to your dashboard, and then your codes will be flashing at whatever interval, whatever code you have. So I can't show you that on my Integra because it's a 1990, but I can show you what it's going to look like to check those codes on in 88 to 91 system. So we'll go ahead and do that right now, so you get an idea of what you're looking at. Well, now you know what codes you have. Now you can go on Google. There's an app you can get on your phone on database. find all your check engine codes there and get to fixing. If you like my video, like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and we'll see you next time.